hello to my beautiful, wonderful people. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Veronica. Welcome to Cooking Plus 52. Anyway, guys, I'm making Florida Porgy baked in the oven with vegetables and herb, garlic, lemon, herb sauce. Guys, sit tight or stand erect, stand straight, and see how I make that delicious fish. I'm going to show you step by step what I added and how I do it, or how I did it, because by the time you see the video it's past tense. Alright, so let me ask you a favor. Would you mind subscribing to my channel? And when you are at it, or while you're at it, give it a thumbs up and share it, right? To all your friends and colleagues and social media. Help me out. I appreciate you. Anyway, I am going to start the cooking right now. Hungry for some delicious food? Come cook with me. Veronica's Kitchen. Like, share, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everyone. And bon appetit! See you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. First, I'm going to clean the fish, the Florida Porgy, and give it a real bad scrub it down with some lemon or lime, but I had lime, so that's what I'm using. Make sure that I remove all the excess scale from there. I got it from the fish market. They did do some cleaning on there, but I think I need to, do a little extra cleaning on there. Now that I've finished cleaning my fish, I'm setting it aside and I'm going to prepare a marinade sauce for the fish. Now this is fish sauce, that's Asian. Pour in a little bit, it's very salty. Okay, my all-purpose seasoning, grilled seasoning, that's for everything. Yeah, another all-purpose seasoning. Guys, they all mostly have the same ingredients. Yeah, that's my fish mixture seasoning. And this one has a little more different stuff. Some paprika. And this is garlic powder in a different jar. Seasoned salt. Now we could add a little bit of oil or water to form the paste so that it could spread. But here I use oil. So now we're mixing it up. And I'll saturate the fish all over, inside and outside and both sides. My oven is preheating right now at 400 degrees. At the same time, after marinating the fish like this here, I need to set it aside for like 20 minutes at room temperature. While the fish is marinating within the 20 minutes frame of time, I clean my vegetables. Now I'm adding some baking soda for cleaning. I'm going to clean the vegetable, rinse properly, then I'm going to slice them into chunk pieces. That's a real bell pepper here. I got a yellow and orange pepper, green pepper, onion, and one jalapeno pepper. Now that my vegetables are cleaned, now I'm getting ready to clean my herbs for the sauce. This is dill, cilantro, and I'm adding fresh oregano. Just want to do a little rinsing on there. I chop my herbs, ready for the pot with the butter. I'm going to add the herbs in the butter, allow them to cook for just a tiny bit, like a couple seconds. After that is done, I'll add 1 squeeze lemon or lime into the mixture. Here's my jalapeno pepper. I'm removing some of the seeds or all of the seeds from there to reduce the heat in the jalapeno pepper. This pepper is for stuffing the fish. Vegetables are all cut. Here's my sauce. I'm adding some garlic in there. Lots of garlic. That's a garlicky sauce. A hell of a garlicky sauce. Yeah, this is cut cabbage. Adding the vegetables to the cabbage. And a little spices. Let's see what I'm adding here. Some more fresh garlic. On top of the vegetables, we season everything individually, and that's the same seasoning that I use for the marinade of the fish. Now I'm mixing it thoroughly so everything could get a little seasoning. Yeah. Lay the fish on top of the vegetables, and I'm going to pour every sauce and the liquid from this tray into that dish. After pouring the sauce over the fish, I'll cover with aluminum foil. Place in the oven. Bake between 25 to 30 minutes or until the vegetables and fish are all cooked. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. And bon appetit! See, my oven is on right here. See, it's right there in the oven.